There's a powerful saying that goes, it gets hot in the kitchen. Things may not be working properly. The stove tops may be down, the AC not working. It's hot as hell. People will start coming out with their plates and they gotta be fed. So you still have to keep cooking. You still have to make things happen. It doesn't matter how you feeling or how hungry you are. You still have to keep cooking because they all have to be fed. You have multiple people counting on you. The sad part is when you wanna go sit down and eat a plate for yourself, ain't nobody cook for you because you're the chef. And as a man, you have to go through life knowing that you're the chef. You have to keep cooking. The stovetop may not be working properly. The AC may not be working properly, but you have to keep cooking. You might be missing some seasoning. You might be missing some key ingredients, but you have to make it happen. You have to make it taste good. You have to make it edible, and you have to feed everybody in your circle, bruh. I'm not even 30 yet, and I have to feed so many people. You don't understand. I don't have a family yet. I don't have a family of my own. Like, I don't have kids, but I have to feed so many people. This is what it means to be a man. You have to step up. You have to do the hard work. You have to do it even when you don't feel like it. It does not matter. You have to keep pushing forward, and you have to realize that as the chef, ain't nobody's going to cook for you. It may not be the thing you wanted to hear, but I just heard this analogy and I wanted to share it with y'all. It's impactful when you think about life that way. You're the man, get things done, and don't think about getting anything in return, because at the end of the day, you are the person who makes things happen. No matter what happened, what's going on, where the noise is, stay on your goal, stay on your purpose. As the chef, keep cooking, stay consistent, and stay disciplined, boys. I'll see y'all later. I'm recording like 10 videos today because I haven't recorded in a while. I've been busy on my marketing company.